Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You open Quizlet and immediately create or import one focus set to avoid scattered studying. Start by naming the set and adding 10-30 clear terms. Shorter lists improve retention. Once done, add a brief example sentence for each term so you understand context, and pick your preferred study mode, flashcards for review or learn for adaptive practice. This establishes a single, actionable resource you will return to. By beginning here, you convert vague goals into repeatable study sessions. You move into active practice. Select Learn to get adaptive questions and an algorithm that targets weak items. While practicing, customize speed and enable audio so you hear pronunciation. That reinforces memory through multiple senses. Make sure to add images or diagrams where a visual cue beats text. Once configured, use spaced repetition intervals in test or learn mode to force recall at optimal timing, which is why you finish by running a time test to simulate real pressure, and then review incorrect items immediately to close gaps. Make sure to sync your set so progress moves across phone and web, and export or share the set if you need collaborators or backup. If something goes wrong, like missing audio or unsynced terms, clear the app cache, update to the latest version, or re-import the set. That resolves most failures and preserves the single workflow you just completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.